Let's make peaches and cream shortcake. Holy moly, it's gonna be good. I'm trying to think up some things for our porter peaches besides just eating them, which is fine, but I wanted to give some ideas for these. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up, and what I do is I just like to soak these in cold water and kind of give them a good little rub and get all of the dirt and everything off of them a few times. I'll strain them, soak them in cold water, strain them, soak them in cold water, just until they're really, really clean on the outside. So these are ready to go. They're all clean, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just chop these up. I like the skin on mine. If you don't like the skin on yours, you can blanch these for just about a minute in some boiling water and then take them out and put them in some ice water, and then the skin will just peel right off. But I love the skin. I know I'm weird, but I love the skin on my stuff. So if you do not like the skin, then that's what you can do, or you can just peel it off. So we're gonna get the little stem out of there, and I'm just gonna chunk these up into my Grandma Ada's bowl right here. A little something in there. Who's the set dishwasher around here? That would be me. So we're gonna chunk these up into my grandma's bowl here, just like that. I read this one time that you could be the most beautiful, the ripest, the juiciest, most delicious peach, and there's still somebody who don't like peaches, and that's the truth. You know, all my life I've been a people pleaser, just always worried about what people thought of me. And the older I get, the better it is that I don't really, worry about it as much, but I still do. I mean, we all do. We all care what people think. But my Aunt Mary always told me, what people think of you is none of your business. And we need to live like that. You know what matters is what God thinks of us and what we're doing for Jesus, and to get up every day and try to please Him. But anyway, I don't know where all that came from. Okay, so let me tell you what I'm going to do next. So this is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to put about we're going to do about a half a cup of sugar to these peaches, which there's probably about 3 or 4 cups of peaches here. So a half a cup of sugar to these peaches right here. The longer you let this set, that sugar will soak up into those peaches. It's gonna be so good. And now I'm gonna use this, my secret ingredient. Look at that. That's Mexican cream, and you can get this over in the cheese section of the grocery store, okay? So it's over by the cheese and everything. And I'm gonna just pour this on here. I'm not measuring, I'm sorry. I'm gonna say that's probably about a half a cup, maybe a little more. I love this stuff. It is so good. You've gotta try it. And now we're gonna mix that in. Now, if you have time to make your own shortcake, go for it. I do not have time today. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks so good. But I do love this. Sara Lee's, it's in the frozen section over by the Cool Whip and stuff. It's easy to find in the grocery store. So excited. All right, just gonna cut a little sliver of that out of there. Just like that. And now, of course, the longer this sets, the better it's gonna be. I'm just gonna put this right on top. And now I'm going to do a little dollop of Cool Whip. Peaches and cream shortcake. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Grand slam. Grand slam. Here. I gotta set this plate down and get serious. Holy. Go make this. It's so good. We'll see ya.